The Uganda Climate Smart Agriculture Transformation Project is a 6-year initiative instituted in 2022, jointly funded by the Government of Uganda and the World Bank.
When you practice climate smart agriculture, you increase production by 30%. That at the end of the day, farmers must experience high production. After that production, we must see increased marketing. Of course, we have other government arms which will do marketing, like Uganda Export Promotion Board, the Ministry of Trade. We shall work with them to make sure that whatever is produced is marketed. And the market is there.
The project focuses on boosting productivity, market access, and resilience for 4 key value chains which include fisheries and aquaculture, crops, beneficial insects, and livestock.
The project is covering 69 districts, of which 7 are refugee-hosting districts. This project covers about 4 value chains, but here we're looking at about 10 crops. Livestock, you have beef and dairy, you have fisheries, then you have beneficial insects. Under beneficial insects, we are talking about black soldier flies. We're also talking about bees.
John Oyambi, the coordinator of Government Communication Officers Forum, has reiterated the call to journalists to preserve the reputation of the government institutions by avoiding biased reporting.
My prayer is the headline you're going to give out, let it be the headline to give the better image of your institution. Otherwise, you will find yourself by the time you are growing old, you may be even 30 years old, but the gray hair is all over. Even on your fingers that you used to tap that bad message, even the gray hair is already on your fingers because things are not, you're reporting something wrong. You are busy doing the contrary, giving wrong information.
Delivering the closing remarks at the media breakfast meeting held at Kampala Nile Hotel in Namamve, Dr. Patience Rwamigisa confesses that this is one of the ministry's largest projects, upon which he implored all the stakeholders to play their respective roles in ensuring its success, because it promises about 40% of employment opportunities for youth.
So I'm appealing to you to support, we work together, we succeed together. There is no room for failure. Let us work together and succeed together. We must make this project work. Play your part and let everybody play his part.
The project is said to be implemented by the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industry and Fisheries, together with the National Agricultural Research Organization, NARO, National Animal Genetic Resource Center and Data Bank, and the Department of Meteorology. Joseph Kabale, UCTV News.